Hi class, let's take a look at example 3. And for this parametric, we technically have to take into account that t is greater than or equal to 1. So let's actually make a little table. And you're going to have x is equal to t squared. And then the second one, y is equal to the ln of t. Now, we only need 3 coordinate points. So let me start with the minimum value, which in this case is 0. So x is equal to technically 0 squared, which is 0. Y is equal to, the minimum is actually 1, not 0. So t is equal to 1. So that would be 1 squared, which is 1. And then y is equal to the ln of 1, which is 0. So our coordinate point, it's going to be 1, 0. And let me do the sketch of this one here. So we're looking at 1, 0, which is technically here. And this is at t is equal to 1. And then let's do the second evaluation. For the second evaluation, let me pick 2. So t is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 squared. Which is equal to 4. Y is equal to the ln of 2. And let me get the decimal approximation. So the ln of 2, it's going to be about 0.69. So this is 0.69. So 4, 0.69. So we're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just going to say that's 1 at 4 around there. And this is t is equal to 2. The last one that we'll pick, let's pick 3. So we're looking at the values 3. X is equal to 3 to the second, or 9. Y is equal to the ln of 3. So about 1.098. So y, it's approximately 1.099. 1.099 rounding to 3 decimal places. So we're looking at 9, 1.099. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And just above 1. So just about there. And this particular one, it's actually, it starts at, it actually starts at t is equal to 1. So it goes in this direction. And then the last one that was calculated was t is equal to 3. Okay, so that would be the sketch. 3 coordinates point is sufficient. To eliminate the parameter, we technically have that, well, x is equal to t squared. To express it in terms of t's, you could take the square root of both of these and end up with x is equal to plus or minus, not x. T is equal to plus or minus the square root of x. So your y value is equal to the ln of t. The plus or minus, it's because of this portion here for the minus, but we don't need it and it's not part of the specific one. So we're just going to use t is equal to the square root of x. So y is equal to the ln of, well, the square root of x, or the ln of x to the 1/2. And I'm just going to express it as 1/2 ln of x. So our final answer is going to be the ln of x divided by 2. And then technically here, x has to be greater than or equal to the values of 1. Since technically this is where it's actually starting. So we're looking at that point there. And that would be our main solution. So we're looking at y is equal to the ln of x. Give me just a second. This 1/2. Okay, there we go.